This channel is gaining millions of views, and the author earns tens of thousands of dollars a month. Recently, videos on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram have become a real hit, providing the opportunity to earn significant amounts. As part of this video that I am preparing for you, I will share the details of each stage of creating a motivational video designed not only to impress the viewer, but also to ensure its viral success. Now that we have realized that in order to achieve such an outstanding result, we need to go through three key stages: the selection of video clips, music, and the creation of content using motivational quotes. Let's take a closer look at each of them. In the first stage, we head to Pexels, a virtual library of video clips, to find the right material. Let's say we want to use a sports car video. After entering the request, we select the best material and upload it, preparing for the next step. Step 2 involves finding the right music on Pixabay. We enter the query motivational music and browse the collection to find the track that will perfectly complement our video. After choosing, we download the musical accompaniment and prepare for the next important stage: the creation of the script. To create a high-quality script, we turn to ChatGPT, asking him to provide the 10 best motivational quotes for short videos on YouTube. After receiving the quotes, we integrate them into our script. Now the script is ready, and we're moving on to voice acting. To do this, we use 11 Labs, copy the script from ChatGPT, and paste it on the platform. Here we select the appropriate voice from the provided options and start the generation process. The result will be a video that will not only amaze viewers with its beauty and motivational charge, but also has the potential to go viral and bring you not only recognition, but also serious income. The process ahead of us includes the third important stage, the editing stage, which will be performed using the CapCut application. Our task is not only to give the video a more professional look, but also to create exciting content to attract the attention of viewers. Let's start with an important step: importing high-quality video material and combining it with an audio recording of our voice recorded behind the scenes. At the same time, attention should also be paid to adding background music to create a suitable atmosphere and emphasize the emotional context. The next step involves careful cropping and correction of video parameters, as well as adjusting the color palette to achieve maximum expressiveness. To do this, we will proceed to the filter section, where we will select the appropriate effects and then apply them to the entire material, giving it a unique and attractive appearance. Next, we are waiting for the stage of adding text elements using auto captions. Here we will not only start editing the text, but also get the opportunity to customize the font, add animation and other visual effects in order to make the video more dynamic and memorable. To give our content even more depth and structure, we will add some spectacular transitions between scenes. This will create a logical and fascinating perception for the viewer. After that, we will reduce the volume of the background music from level 20 to 25, aiming to create a perfect balance of sounds, which will give the video even more harmony. After completing the editing stage, click the upload button, and your video will be completely ready for publication. Do not forget to constantly improve the quality of your videos and regularly update the content to maintain the interest and engagement of your audience, attracting the maximum number of views. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me in the wave of my training programs. Analyze and repeat step by step with me. Grow and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.